His shoes.
Whose shoes?
Chaparral's. Before we left the airport, he was getting his shoes shined. That's why he was late getting on the plane.
So?
So why would a man who just killed his wife be worried about his shoes?
Because he... I don't know.
The extension cord.
Suggest the anaconda. I'll need it back. It's the prototype. What did he step in?
Cement.
Did you say cement?
Is there a construction site at the airport?
Construction near the airport.
Yeah, they're renovating the terminal. It's right through there.
Good, let's go.
Here's the thing. I'm overdue for my break.
Shut up and show me where it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please make sure that your carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. Thank you.
We're almost out of time, Randy. What have you got?
Monk, it's a construction site. Right around the corner from the ladies' room.
It's perfect. They've been pouring concrete here all week.
If he had security clearance, he could have carried her back here in a suitcase or something.
We poured the foundation this morning. It's already hardened.
So what would it take to dig it up?
4 guys, a couple of drills, and a court order.
Fine, do it. How long?
Hour and a half.
Monk, it's gonna be an hour and a half to dig it up.
We don't have an hour and a half. They're gonna be on a plane to Paris at 5:15.
Well, then you have to stall them.
What do you say?
We're gonna have to stall them.
Well, this is a flight I'll never forget, although I'll sure try to. Adrian, I've been thinking over your theory about the French couple, and I've come to a conclusion. I'd like my card back. Thank you. Bye.
Wait! What is? Double overtime!
Sharona! Oh, Aunt May! Look at you!
We're losing them.
How was your flight? See that guy over there?
We need to go.
Kill his wife and poison the guy in the plane.
Sharona.
Adrian thinks he's refrigerator cooled.
We have tickets to the Music Man.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Excuse me.
Final boarding call for Flight 17 to Paris, departing from Gate 29. This is the final boarding call. Please check in with the desk at Gate 29 immediately.
Disher.
Monk here.
Monk, we found something. It might be the body. We'll know for sure in 20 minutes.
We're too late. Disher needs 20 minutes. They're already on the plane.
Bonjour, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Flight 17, non-stop to Paris.
Lieutenant, do you think you can find a duty roster for a flight leaving Newark?
Your duty roster, yeah. I'll see what I can do. Duty roster, all flights out of Newark. Go.
Hi. Hello. Yeah, I'm worried about a buddy of mine, Captain Claude Pritchard.
Claude Pritchard, the pilot. Yeah, he's on the
So, he made it okay. What a relief. Unbelievable.
What do you mean?
Oh, well, he was in pretty bad shape when I left, and we were out partying all last night and into this morning. We're just party boys.
Party boys?
Yeah, it was pretty ugly there. I tried to take his keys away, but you know how old Claude gets when he's totally hammered.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have been asked to return to the gate. Please stay in your seats. We will be underway in just a few moments.
Monk, we found her. Female, mid-40s. Just like you said. I already put a call into the Newark PD. They should be picking up our guy as we speak.
Monsieur Monk, is it true this was your first flight?
That's right.
On ne peut pas tout prévenir. One cannot prepare for everything.
It's jungle out there, disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do. Hey, who's in charge here? It's jungle out